Good morning. Hello. Am I audible? We had solved few questions. I had given around 13 questions as a homework. Did you all try these 13 questions?
Sir, I have not tried, sir.
You have not tried. Okay. Uh,
Me also,
so
sir.
tried. Did you find anything difficult in this? Let me identify these questions which I am ticking now. These are easy type. Easily we can solve it. This one is again easy. 31st question. But this 32nd question, 33rd question, they are a little difficult. And this is a different type of question. These questions again they are easy. Apart from them, these four questions are also easy. So now I have encircled few questions. We shall solve them. The remaining you can try. This question 32, it's not a direct type of splitting middle term. We had solved a question of this type of question. So here we have to use logic in a different way. How do we solve this? We have to consider 8a square and multiply this with 9b square. We'll be getting 72
72 a square
a
b square.
square b square. So from this 72a square b square, we have to obtain this minus 27ab. We have to find out two numbers, and these two numbers should add up to minus 27ab, should sum up to minus 27ab, and their product must be equal to 72a square b square. This is the logic.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah,
Good
good
morning, sir.
morning. Good morning. So, those all joined late. I am trying to solve this 32nd question. For that, we have to prime factorize this 72 to 36 times, to 18 times, to 9 times,
Three,
3 times.
three one time.
Now, with this combination of the numbers, can we get the sum as minus 27? That's our intention.
Yes, sir. Minus 24 plus minus 3.
Minus
Yes, sir.
24 and minus 3. So you are taking this particular thing as one group. This is 24 and the remaining is 3. If both are taken as negative, we get the sum as minus 27 and the product will be positive 72.
22.
If
Yes, sir.
AB is taken along, then the sum becomes minus 27 AB and the product becomes 72 A
72 a
square
square
B
b
square.
square.
So this is the logic behind solving this question. Now we shall write first term as it is and the last term as it is. The middle terms has to be split into minus 24ab minus
Minus 3ab.
3ab plus 9b square. Now the things are similar. Now we have to group them and we have to take common. If
18
8a is
commons.
taken out, a
A minus
remains,
3b.
minus 3b remains.
3B.
3
Among
3b is common.
these two terms, 3b, not only
Yes, sir.
3b, minus
Minus 3.
3b we
Minus
will take.
3B, sir. Yeah, and
Very
minus
right.
3B.
Result will be a minus
A minus
3b
3B,
multiplied to
get A plus
a minus
get
3b.
minus 3B, sir.
B.
Isn't it easy?
Easy, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me how to solve this now?
Product is minus 70, sir, and the sum is 33.
Minus 70 x square y square is the product.
Yes, sir. 75 minus 2, sir.
Okay.
35 minus 2, sir, and
Minus
35 into
70
2.
x square y square.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Suppose if
35
you are
35 minus
taking
2
minus 35
minus 2.
and plus
plus
2,
2.
the sum becomes negative 32. So
Sir,
this
this
term,
positive,
take
sir.
it as positive, this as negative. So
Minus 2.
35xy is one term, minus 2 times of xy is the other. Their combination will give us positive 33 and their product is minus 70 x square y square. So 5x square written as it is, followed by positive 35xy, negative
Minus 2, sir.
Minus
2xy,
2xy minus
negative
14y
14y
square.
square.
Minus 14y
Yes, sir.
square.
In the first
5x
two
common.
terms, 5x
5
common,
is the common, sir.
X common.
Yes.
X
Plus
plus
7y.
35y, 7y,
7y,
Yes, sir.
7y.
Minus
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 2y is
2y
the
common.
common.
2y,
y common.
2y.
Y
So
X
and
plus
x
7y.
y
plus
plus
minus
7y,
7y.
x
y.
plus 7y.
So
X
x
plus
plus
7y.
Plus 7
7y
is
5x
the
minus
common,
2y.
sir.
multiplied to
5x minus
x
2y.
minus 2y.
5x minus 5x,
5x,
sir.
correct, correct.
So 5x,
5x
sir. 5x
minus
minus
2y.
2y. Yes, sir.
Now, 34th question is slightly different because they have given a cube term here. In such
Sir,
cases,
we can take x common.
X
x
is the common, sir.
common.
X is the
If
common.
x is taken out, we get
3
3x
square
square
minus
3x
x
squared
3x
minus
minus
x
square
10.
minus x
minus 10.
Minus
minus
10.
10. Minus 10.
Now the middle thing which is there in the bracket only we have to see. In
Minus
that
Product is
30 is
30.
product and minus 1
product
is sum.
is minus 30
Minus
and the
30.
sum is negative 1. 6
1.
5 times is 30. Suppose if you
Sir,
take minus 6
minus 6
and
and plus
plus 5.
5.
And plus
Yes,
5.
sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
good.
Minus 5.
The combination of minus 6 and plus 5. What is very important is to carry this x in all the
3x
steps.
squared. Yes, sir.
Yes.
That is
3x
must
Yes.
to
squared
write.
minus
X square
6x
minus
minus
x
minus 5x
plus x
minus
minus
5x
10.
sir. Minus 10,
10.
So
sir.
x is written
3x.
along with that
3x.
3x is
3x is
common.
the common, sir.
X minus
X
2
X
minus
minus 2.
yes,
plus
sir.
5
5
is
is common,
common.
Plus
sir.
X
5.
minus 2.
X
X
minus
minus
2.
2.
X
So
minus 2 is
x
the common.
times of
X
x
minus
minus 2
X minus
multiplied
2.
to 3x plus 5.
X plus
3x plus
3.
5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a cubic term. For a cubic expression, there will be three factors. We got three factors here: x, x minus 2, 3x plus 5. Suppose if there is a question that the volume of a cuboid is given by an expression 3x cube minus x square minus 10x, find their dimension. For that, this procedure has to be followed. Therefore, at the end we'll write length is x units, breadth is x minus 2 units, and height is
Height is 3x plus
3x
5.
plus
3x
5
plus 5.
units. Understood? This is application of the factorization.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
These questions are easy. Once you identify what should
21.
be the product and the sum and combination of the numbers, it becomes easy. Next
Yes,
set
sir.
of questions are slightly different. They have given to factorize. Here, there
We
is
have
a
to
plus b
simplify.
whole square identity. Further, there is something else. In such cases, what to do?
We have to
So first we
simplify,
should
sir.
simplify.
Multiply, sir, first. Sir,
Then we
sir.
can regroup and find the factors.
Yes, sir.
Let me take the first question. 5 times of 3x plus y whole square
Square.
plus 6 times
Yes,
of
sir.
3x
3x
plus
3x plus
y
y
minus
minus
8.
8.
minus 8.
What do you suggest?
Sir,
Should we
taking as
simplify this?
Multiply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is your method. Let's
no, sir, we will take 3 plus
write
y
this
common.
as 5 times of 9x square plus y square
Y square
plus
minus
6xy.
3xy plus
6
3
no,
6xy.
2ab term 6xy. Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now 6 to be multiplied, it becomes 18x plus 6y minus 8.
6y.
Now further this 5 to be multiplied to these three terms, 45x square plus
5y square
5y
5y
square
square
plus
plus
30
30
times of
plus
xy
x square
plus
plus
18x
18x plus
plus
6y
6y
plus
minus
6y
minus
8.
8.
minus 8.
Sir, we can
What
even
should we
take
do now?
3 plus y as a common, sir.
3 plus
Sir,
y
we
is a
can't factorize further, sir. This is wrong method.
wrong method.
But there are 6.
What to do next will become a question mark. We
So
You
we
keep
can
can
thinking we
regroup.
won't get any
only
solution.
So we can take two groups, sir. Making the
Yes,
two
sir, we
groups.
can regroup.
There will be 3 groups,
Let
sir.
me give an idea. The idea is, let us
Regrouping.
take 3x plus y as something. Let us represent
common,
this
sir.
3x plus y as some letter.
Common.
Suppose this 3x plus y is taken as a letter u. It becomes 5 times of u square plus 6 times of u minus 8. It becomes a simple expression. This can be factorized. How to
Yes, sir.
factorize this one?
U as common, sir.
Sum is positive 6. Product is negative 40. Negative 40 we have to get 10
10
4
and 4,
times.
sir. 10 and
10 and
4.
4.
Yes,
10 and 4.
10 and minus 4.
10 and 4.
Positive 10 if you
minus
take and negative 4 if you
Minus
take,
4.
things will work. So 5u square plus 10u
Plus
10u
10u
into
minus
minus
4u
4
minus 4u
minus
minus 8.
8.
minus 8.
Let's combine the group. 5u is common.
5u common.
U
1
plus
plus 2.
2
u
will remain.
2 plus 2
U plus 2.
Minus
Yes.
4 is
minus 4
common.
4 common.
U
u
plus 2
plus
again
2
minus 2.
remains.
Plus
u
2
So
plus
u
2.
plus 2 into
5u
5u
minus 4.
minus 4.
Minus 4.
This
5u minus
is
4.
the factorization of this. But it is not a final answer. The final answer is therefore, instead of
3x
u, you keep writing
3x
this
plus
3x plus
3x
y
plus y plus 2
plus 2
plus 2
plus 2
into
common.
5 into
5
3x plus
5
y.
into 3x plus y.
15x plus 5y.
it becomes this now
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15x
Minus
plus 5y minus 4.
Yes, sir.
This will be the factors. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ashutosh said that we can take 3x plus y common. If you follow that method, what happens? If 3x plus y is taken as common, we will
So
be
we can't
getting
take
5
common. 8 will
times.
be left.
Now, only in these two terms you want to take common.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 5
In that
plus
case, it will be 15x plus 5y. Uh, here 18. 18x plus 6y. No. It is taken common. So only 6 will be there. Only 6 will be there. Minus 8. Now to solve this expression, it becomes difficult. We keep thinking we won't get any solution.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So the best possible method is you assign some letter for this 3x plus y. Next question, on the similar lines we can solve.
Sir, we will
Let's
solve
try the
live
next
in
one.
class, sir.
Sir,
We will solve this live in class, sir.
we have solved live in class only now.
No, sir. Means we will solve, sir. When students will solve, sir.
Yeah, you solve. No problem. When you are going to solve it?
Now only, sir.
No only, sir.
Now
No, sir.
only. Will you tell the result?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So note down the question. Keep solving it.
I got the answer, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I have taken xy as a, sir. I got the answer as a minus 5 into 2a minus 1.
You have taken as A only.
Even
Yes,
have
sir.
Product in this case,
A minus 5
negative 10.
into a minus 1.
Sir, I got
And sir,
answer, sir.
product is minus 10 and
Minus
plus
9.
1.
Sir, shall I tell answer, sir?
Minus 9 and no. Minus 10
Sir,
and
minus 10.
Sir, I will tell answer,
positive
sir.
1.
Yes, sir.
X plus y minus 5 multiplied to 2x plus 2y minus 1.
X plus Y
Minus 5
minus 5 into
multiplied to 2x plus 2y minus 1.
Yes, sir. I have also got the same answer.
minus 10, na?
Minus 1,
Minus
sir.
1, sir.
Minus 1. So let me check whether I get the same answer. I'll be writing this 2a square as it is, minus 10a plus a minus 5. So 2a common, a minus 5 plus 1 common, a
1 comma.
minus 5. So we have a minus 5 to be multiplied to 2a plus 1. Again, we will revert back by taking a as x plus y. So x plus y minus 5, one term. Next, we have to multiply 2. We get 2x plus 2y plus 1.
Plus 1.
Yes, sir. I have
Yes, sir. I have
got
got
the
the same
same
answer.
result. Very good.
Sir, mistake is that
Difference is
my
minus.
mistake is, sir. It is my mistake in. I did mistake here, sir. It is not minus 1, it is plus 1, sir.
Yes, sir. Very good, sir. Identified. So this is plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question is also same type, but 2a minus b is there. 2a minus b is there. So when we are again substituting back, we should not forget that 2a minus b to be multiplied to something.
Yes, sir.
So which one you will try out of this
3, sir.
3 and 4?
Third one, sir.
3.
Third one.
Third
Third
one.
one, sir.
Sir.
Third
Okay.
one.
Start now.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yes.
Sir, even I got answer.
18a minus 9 minus 13 multiply to
18a minus 9b.
9b, sir.
9b minus 13,
13
yes, sir.
plus 13.
minus 13, sir.
Okay, minus 13
Minus 13, sir.
multiplied to
2a minus b plus 1.
2a minus b plus 1.
let's
Sir,
see
I
whether
got plus B, sir.
you got plus b here.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other answer? Let's wait.
No, sir. The same.
Ajay got the same answer.
Yes,
Who
sir.
is this 1, 2, 3? Somebody is name 1, 2, 3. Who is 1,
Don't
2,
know, sir.
3? He has changed his name to 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yes, Mr. 1, 2, 3, you got the same answer.
Yes, sir. I also got the same answer.
Okay.
Sir,
So,
me too, sir.
Shobhan,
Yes, sir.
why did you get this plus B? You
Same
have to
answer, sir.
substitute
Okay,
A
yes, sir.
minus
I
B.
got multiplied mistakes, sir.
Same answer, sir. Sir,
I
I also
thought it
got
was minus, sir. Yes, sir. Multiplication mistakes.
Okay, sir. So
I
these
also
type
got
of
same answer.
questions are okay to do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. By taking B as
This
a
fourth question, fifth question, sixth question, they are the same. You'll be taking the term.
as a alphabets.
Yeah,
Any
seventh,
name.
eighth is also same.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Let's see ninth question. It's different. Here
on
there
the
are
eighth.
three terms.
Yes, sir.
Method
Sir, we
is
will
same.
try, sir.
We will
You'll
only
Sir,
solve.
yeah, you
Yes, sir, we
keep
will try.
trying. Simultaneously, I will write the answer here. You can cross check your answer. If there is a mistake, you can rectify this.
I got answer, sir.
Ajay, which combination will give minus 22 here?
18A
Sir,
minus 4
18
is
only
Minus
minus
4,
4,
sir.
sir.
Minus
18
4.
minus 4.
Yes, sir.
18A minus
18
4.
and 4.
Yes, sir.
Minus 18 and minus 4. Both
Minus 4.
negative.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Minus
sir.
18 minus 4.
So 9x
Sir,
square
I have also
minus
got the
19x
I have also
minus
got the
8x.
answer, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's see whether this answer will be same as that. We'll be getting x minus 2 times of 9x minus 4
Yes, sir.
implies a plus b minus c minus 2
Yes, sir.
into
Is equal to 9, 8,
9a
9
plus 9b minus 9c
minus
minus
4.
4.
Yes, sir.
minus
Same
4.
answer.
Yes, sir.
All have
Yes,
got
sir.
this answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Let's
Thank
now
you, sir.
see how to solve 10th question.
Sir,
My
X,
8 minus 1, sir.
8 minus 1 is the answer. Huh?
sir, there
No,
will be
sir.
4 factors.
Combination,
Sir.
sir.
We
It is
can
Yes, sir. There will
4
be
factors
split the
will be there,
middle
sir.
term in minus,
middle
sorry,
term should
plus
be
8
same, sir.
minus 1 x square.
Sir, we can take there
8
So we
minus
can
1 x
write
square.
it
Huh?
something common.
Yes,
Here,
2x.
this expression will give 4 factors, no, sir?
This is a biquadratic. This type of expression is called as a biquadratic. Since the power is 4, there has to be 4 factors.
Yes, sir.
Let's see how to do it.
2x
One
whole
of the
square.
way I am thinking is, probably
2x
you
square
also
whole
thought
square.
x square, you take it as something, some number. Let
Yes, sir.
x square be equal to,
Sir,
say, a.
Yes, yes,
In
sir.
such
x square
case, this becomes 4a square
4x square a
plus
square.
7a
plus 7a minus 2
minus 2. So in this, the sum is positive 7, the product is negative 8.
minus 8
So if at all you take 8 and 1
Minus 8 plus
combination,
1.
Minus
Sorry,
8
sir.
plus 1, sir.
minus
8 minus 1.
minus 8 plus 1
8
So
and
minus
minus 1.
Yes, sir.
positive 8 and minus 1, sir.
So 4a square plus 8a minus
Plus
a
8
minus 2.
minus 1 minus a minus 2, sir.
4a
4a
common, a plus 2. Minus 1 common, a plus 2.
A plus 2.
Here we get a plus 2 multiplied to 4a
x square
minus 1.
plus
4a
minus
minus 1.
4.
1
A
so
is
x to the power
replaced now. X square plus
x
2.
square plus 2
Into
4x
4x
square
square
minus
minus
1
1.
Sir, here you can
Sir, we
factorize
can
4x
solve the second
Further we
second
can
term, sir.
simplify, sir.
2x whole
2x
square minus 1 square
Very good, sir. 2x whole square minus 1
minus
square.
1 square.
So x square plus 2 multiplied
2x
to
plus 1 2x
2x
plus
plus 1
2x plus 1
minus
into
2x
2x
1
2x
minus
plus 1
1.
into 2x minus 1.
Yes, this is the answer.
Sir, but there should be
Now
4
coming
so
to
factors.
we should get 2
Abhinav's Abhinav's question. Are there 4 terms here?
1 is considered to be one term, sir. We
No,
can simply add
if
1.
you see the powers of the variable, no, here the power is 1, here the power is 1, here the power is 2. Totally, what will be the power? Total power.
4 sir
2 plus 1
4
plus 1.
4, sir.
4. We are
4.
getting it. So answer is absolutely correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Next question, same way. Next to
Shall we
that
solve, sir?
question is also same way. Which one you want to solve among these two? 11th or
11
12th?
11th,
sir
sir.
11th
11th.
sir.
11th, sir.
11th.
yes
Yes,
sir
go ahead. Don't take more time. In 3 minutes, you should be able to tell the answer.
6 and 5.
combination is 6 plus 5 sir.
Okay.
Sir, x square plus 6
A
multiplied to
plus
x
6
square plus
into
5.
x square plus
a plus 5a.
6 x square plus
X
5
square plus
X square plus 6 multiplied to x square
X
plus 5.
square plus 6 x square
multiplied to
plus
x square plus 5
5a is
9. Huh?
5
no
x
sir
square.
5
5.
5.
So count the power 2 plus 2.
4 sir
It's
4,
4.
sir.
So isn't it easy? Not
Yes,
so
sir.
difficult, no?
Yes, sir.
Not
no
so
Yes,
sir
sir.
difficult. These questions are also of same type. So let's not solve this. Let's look at division now. The question is, divide
Divide
a polynomial which is biquadratic by a monomial.
We
So
have to divide all the terms separately.
method to be followed is long division.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Here we cannot take common, we cannot factorize and then divide. So we have to follow long division. Most of the
so
time
can
it
we solve
becomes a pardon?
so can we solve and tell you the answer
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely fine.
Sir, you also solve and keep side, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the answer is 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1.
Let's wait for others also. Let's see.
Sir, I got same answer.
And we get the remainder as 0.
0.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I got.
If at all you are getting some other reminder, it means that you have gone wrong somewhere in subtracting. Hopefully all have got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I got a different answer, sir. I have used the another method by dividing all the terms separately, sir.
How will you divide all the terms separately? It's a monomial. No, it's a binomial. When binomial is
Binomial.
there, we cannot separately divide now.
Only
Sir,
if
in the
monomial is there, we can divide separately, sir.
Now,
Yes,
if
sir.
monomial is there, separately you divide. No issues. But binomial or trinomial, if it is given here, you cannot separate it and divide.
Sir, we can divide like 2x to the power 4 divided by x plus 3.
But how do you simplify this? To simplify, we have to have something. No. How will you simplify this part? Cannot be
We can't
simplified.
simplify.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir,
Next
I got
is
the same
long
answer.
division. Yeah. So many are having the same result. Is there any a different result?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now you observe in this question, there is a trinomial which is given here. The divisor is a trinomial. It's a biquadratic expression. This is a cubic expression. Will you try this? I will
Sir, should
also
we,
answer
Yes, sir.
simultaneously.
Yes, sir.
should we factorize that trinomial, sir?
Uh, Not required. We can follow long division method, more easier than factorizing this.
Okay, sir.
Let's try x square minus 4x plus 3, and it divides x cube minus 6x square
X
plus
square plus
11x
11x
minus
minus
6.
6. Zero, sir. Plus 2x square.
Here some people will go wrong. It's minus 2x square.
8x plus 8x minus 6.
Sir, x minus 2 is answer. Remainder is 0.
Minus 2 is the answer, and the remainder is 0. Yes, very good.
X minus 2, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I also got the same.
Remainder is 0. So
Sir, can we solve this
completely,
using factorization method?
can we solve this by factorization method? Very good question, sir. Let's think. Suppose if I consider this, in the first two terms there is x square common. We will be having x minus 6.
X minus 6.
But in the next we don't have anything common.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So difficult
We
to
should
get the
rearrange this.
factors.
So we
In
should
this method, it is
rearrange.
difficult to get the factor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But when you reach class 9th, no, there you will learn factor theorem. You are going to write the factors of 6. The factors of 6 are plus or
One,
minus 1, plus or minus 2.
3, 4.
You will consider this as a polynomial, say p of x. You will keep substituting. At some place, p of 2 will be equal to 0. It means that x minus 2 is a factor.
Yes, sir.
Once this factor is obtained, we can divide again. Again, you have to follow long division only. So there is
Yes.
no other better method than long division method.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Is there anyone who got a different answer than x minus 2?
No, sir.
Very good.
Sir.
Yes. Now the difficulty level is increased further. There is a to the power 4. It's a biquadratic expression. Let's see whether you get the right answer. This is quadratic, this is biquadratic. Slightly difficult.
Two x. Six, sir. Positive 6x square.
Sir, I'm not understanding how to change the sign, sir.
Sir, I got the
Change the
same
sign,
answer, sir.
You know how to why to change the
Now
sign.
we should do something like this.
Why to change the sign? The reason is we are
Because we're
subtracting.
subtracting.
Yes, we are subtracting. So minus of if you take for all the terms, it's like you are changing the sign. So plus wherever
Adding
it
and
is there,
changing the sign, sir.
minus has to be written. Where minus is there, plus has
Positive.
to be written. Those who have
Yes,
not
sir.
got the correct
Yes, sir. I
answer,
also
no,
got the same answer.
Sir, got the same answer, sir.
got the same answer. Naman, you got the same answer. Naman Reddy.
Sir, I got 2x square plus 3x square minus 9x plus 3, sir.
2x square you will not get. The reason is the first term you observe the coefficient is 10. To get to 10, 2 to be multiplied to
Oh,
5 only. So
yes,
10
sir.
will get.
After minus 9x, how it came, sir? Minus 9x.
Why this minus 9 has come? When
Yes,
we
sir.
simplify here, we are getting minus 18. How to get minus 18 from 2? 2 to be multiplied to minus 9, then only we get minus 18.
Yeah,
For few
yes, sir.
people, it becomes difficult to guess what to be written. For them, the shortcut method
We
is
can divide it
take
by
this
2, sir.
first term. First term minus 18x cube. Take this first term positive 2x square. Simplify. This
You will
completely
get 9x,
cancelled.
sir.
One of the x will remain. One of the x will remain.
Minus 9x, sir.
2 9 times. We are having minus 9x. So this minus 9x is
Minus
written here.
9x.
Why did I write 3 here? The reason is here we are having 6x square. Divide this by
Yes,
2x
sir.
square. This will be 3 times. So 3 is written. Why did I write 5x square? 10x to the power of 4 you divide by 2x square.
2x square.
Square will remain 5 times. So
5x
5
square.
times of x square. This is how you should guess the number.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I got same answer.
Yes, very good. The question here now is slightly changed. Using division, show that this expression is a factor of another expression. The method
So we
is
should get the remainder 0
follow
while
division
dividing.
Sir, while
method.
dividing,
Very
if you
good,
Yes, sir.
get the
very
remainder,
good. In division method, if you are getting the remainder equal to 0, it becomes a factor. Please try this. With this question, let me end today's class. If at all any doubt is there, please ask.
Sir, in